The dawn of the Stone Age. The beginning of human civilization, the Stone Age marks the earliest and longest phase of human prehistory, spanning millions of years and setting the foundation for civilization. This era is defined by the first use of stone tools, which played a crucial role in early human survival. 1. When did the Stone Age begin? The Stone Age began approximately 2.5 to 3.3 million years ago, based on the earliest known stone tools discovered in East Africa, particularly in Kenya and Ethiopia. These tools were created and used by early hominins, possibly Australopithecus or Homo habilis. 2. The first humans and their way of life. Early humans were hunter-gatherers, relying on nature for food and survival. They hunted wild animals using crude stone weapons, gathered fruits, nuts, and roots, lived in small groups or clans for protection and support, sought shelter in caves or simple huts made from natural materials, used fire for warmth, cooking, and protection. 3. Evolution of tools and technology. At the dawn of the Stone Age, tools were simple and unrefined, primarily made by chipping stones to create sharp edges. Over time, these tools became more sophisticated, allowing early humans to perform tasks more efficiently. Types of early stone tools. Oldowan tools 2.5 million years ago, the earliest known tools, mainly sharp flakes and hammer stones used for cutting and breaking bones. Acheulean tools 1.76 million years ago, more advanced hand axes and cleavers used by Homo erectus. These advancements in tool making allowed early humans to hunt larger animals, process meat more effectively, and adapt to different environments. 4. The impact of fire and communication. Fire, discovered around 1 million years ago, was a game changer. It provided warmth, protection, and the ability to cook food, which improved nutrition and brain development. Early communication. Though early humans lacked spoken language as we know it, they likely used gestures, sounds, and early forms of art such as cave paintings to communicate. 5. The path to the Neolithic Revolution. The Stone Age continued for millions of years, eventually leading to the Neolithic Revolution about 10,000 BC, when humans began farming, domesticating animals, and building permanent settlements. This shift led to the birth of agriculture and the first civilizations. Conclusion: the dawn of the Stone Age was the first step in humanity's long journey towards civilization. It was a period of survival, adaptation, and technological progress, laying the groundwork for everything that followed. Would you like a focus on a specific part, such as early human species or tool development?